Communicating with your customers is very important if you want to run your business successfully. When a customer places an order in your store, their name and other details are added to your customer list. In this video, I will show you how you can manage all of your customers from Shopify Admin. A customer can create an account in your store by providing the details required during the checkout process. You can also manually add or delete a customer profile. To add a new customer, go to Customers and click on Add Customer. In the Customer Overview section, fill in the name, email address, and phone number of the customer you are adding. If the customer wants to receive marketing emails or newsletters, check this box. In case the customer is free from tax, check the box that says Customer is tax exempt. In the Address section, you can add the customer's company name, address, postcode, etc. From the Notes section, you can add a note about your customer. To organize your customers into different groups, you can do so by adding tags to your customers. Suppose you have some wholesale customers in your store, so tag them as wholesale. Similarly, for VIP customers, tag them as VIP. These tags are very helpful when it comes to filtering or categorizing the customers. After adding all the information of your customer, to check the information of a customer, click on the name of that particular customer. Here, you can edit the customer name and email address. You can also add, remove, or edit tags from here. In the Recent Orders section, you can see all the recent orders placed by this customer. This customer hasn't placed any orders yet. If you need to contact a customer, click on the customer's email address. Here, in the From field, you can insert an email address from which an email will be sent to your customer. After that, you can add a subject line and write the message that you want to send. Now, press Review Email. You can also disable a customer account by clicking on Disable Account. To reset the password of your customer, click here. Once you press the Reset Password button, an email will be sent to the customer along with the instructions to reset the password. Normally, there are two cases for which you need to reset the password. Number one, if you create the customer account from your end, then you need to send an email to the customer with instructions on how to reset the password. Otherwise, he or she will not be able to log in. Another reason is if your customer forgets the password and contacts you to send an email to reset the password. If you want to import or export your customers, you can do that from here. We have another video for this. Don't forget to check that out. To edit multiple customers at the same time, select the customers that you want to edit or check this box to select all the customers at once. Now click on Edit Customers. Here you can change the customer information by default. As you can see, you can edit the email address and tags. If you want to edit more fields, you can add them from here, from the Actions dropdown. The options you'll find here are Delete the selected customer, Add or remove tags. From the top navigation menu, you can see New, Returning, Email subscribers, etc. If you have so many customers, you can find a particular customer by using the Filter option. There are many options available in the Filter dropdown. You can also sort your customers from here. If you have any questions about this video, please drop us a comment below. So, that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Thank you.